Happy Valley.
We're in Llandudno today for the formal launch of our Class 197 train. And, we've been waiting for this point for a very long period of time. It's very exciting. The other thing that we're doing is we are congratulating the winner of the naming competition for this particular train, Happy Valley. I think it's just a really good time for Transport for Wales, really good time for transport in Wales and the people of Wales and the borders.
Happy Valley! Those of you who've had a look at Tabitha's competition winning entry, she wrote a poem and the name is Happy Valley. And I was saying to Tabitha, I used to go to Happy Valley up on the Orme when I was a little girl. I used to come over to Llandudno from Wrexham, so it means something to me as well.
Why I'm here today is because I entered this competition and they named the train Happy Valley. It's right there. I was like, wow, this is amazing. Near the front, there's like a road to Happy Valley, and that's also like the gateway to the Great Orme.
So I've come to see this brand new train that looks amazing. Because yesterday I went train spotting with my mum at Colwyn Bay. Then this train just came out of nowhere and we were like, where's this going? It's not on the timetable, and it stopped. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's very cool. I like it. It almost has like a little face. It's cute.
This train has been built in Newport, so we are very proud of being part of this relation with Wales and this program, and really happy to be part of it.
TrC!